Sinead, if you dread the thoughts of showing your bare legs off and you're always getting the tights on, then there is a brand new treatment that could rid your legs of any sort of thread veins you might have at all. And here to show us is YAG.m4v from YAG.m4v Therapy. Good morning to you, Sharon.
Hi Karen, how are you?
Nice to see you again. Tell us about this, and this is a great new alternative to traditional injections, isn't
That's
that
right. This is the Cool Guide XL ND YAG laser, and this is the first clinically proven laser to treat veins, either face or leg veins. And there's a fantastic cold plate here called the gold-plated copper plate, and that has 10 times more cooling than a sapphire window. So it leaves incredible client comfort for the actual treatment. So we're cooling the skin here before we're treating, and we're just blasting with the laser. Do you see that vessel there just disappearing, Karen?
Yeah,
do you see that disappear? And we just immediately cool to prevent any swelling, you know.
And what's our model Brenda feeling now? Any pain?
What do you think, Brenda? How's that?
Tiny sting.
But pretty minimal, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, so what we're doing is, this is delivering pulses of energy, and the energy is transformed to heat, and the heat coagulates the blood vessels and makes them disappear. Those dried up blood vessels then reabsorb into the elimination system and disappears within about a month afterwards. Although they're instantly disappearing there, they can take a couple of weeks to reabsorb.
All right, okay. We have a picture of someone who would have had the same sort of condition, a few broken veins on her legs, and we can take a look at the results there after, so I'll have to remove my goggles. My goodness. Yes, definitely a treatment. How many treatments then normally for the average person?
If there's just a very few vessels, you could get away with 2 or 3 treatments. In Brenda's case here now, she's quite a widespread amount of vessels. She would need easily 5 or 6 treatments with intervals of about a month apart.
Okay.
We'd probably advise Brenda to wear support tights afterwards, because it helps prevent the vessel from refilling.
Okay,
you know?
so there's a little bit of aftercare.
A little bit of aftercare. We always put a little bit of ice maybe on afterwards if we do an extensive area, and aloe vera to soothe it.
Right,
if the area is going to be exposed to sunlight, we ask the client to wear a sunscreen of factor about 20 or 30, because she can be a little bit more sensitive to sunlight. So we do recommend that to help prevent pigmentation marks.
And is it suitable for all skin types?
We can do dark skins, Asian skins, or pale skins. It's not restrictive. So
because sometimes that can be the case with laser hair removal, can't it?
That's right. Yeah. Okay. Well, it depends on the laser you're working with as well.
Right,
you know.
How much does this all cost then? How much for?
We typically charge about €200 for a 30 to 40 minute treatment. But you know, some clients are suitable and some clients aren't. Like this particular laser can treat a whole wide variety of vessels, from superficial vessels to deep reticular vessels, very fine facial vessels, even blue ones on the backs of the knees that are quite common. It will treat those. But there are always a couple of stubborn, tricky vessels that may not respond. So we just have to patch test a client and see if they're suitable in the first place. But yeah, we would typically charge that, and clients can just pay as they go along. They often can take just 2 or 3 sessions, as I said.
And as you were saying, Sharon, it's a great alternative to the traditional way of when it was all about injections.
That's right. There's no sclerotherapy anymore. I mean, this has the ability to treat the deeper vessels, so it's fantastic. You don't need the needles.
And Brenda need to never wear tights again. I expect those legs to be out in time for summer, right, Brenda? Lovely. I can remove the goggles now. Thanks very much, Sharon, from YAG.m4v Therapy and YAG.m4v there. Thanks for coming in to us.
Thank you very much.
Right
Pleasure.
now we're going to head back inside.